to talk about how the Venn diagram works, along with the factoring that goes along with it. So, I've got a strange problem, negative 17/36 plus 35/72. So the first thing we have to get in place is what are the factors of the denominators. So we're going to factor 36, and I don't factor using the trees, I factor using what's called inverse division. So 36 is even, so I know 2 goes into it, and 2 goes into 3 once with 1 left over, 2 goes into 16 8 times. 18 is even, so 2 goes in 9 times, 3 goes into 9 3 times, 3 goes into 3 once. Once I have a 1 in the bottom, I know I've completely factored a number. I'm also going to factor 72. Again, 72 is an even number. 2 goes into 7 3 times with 1 left over. 2 goes into 12 6 times. Now I've got 36. Goes 18. 2 goes into 18 9. 3 goes into 9 3. 3 goes into 3 once. I now have both numbers factored. I'm going to create my Venn diagram, and looking at what I'm looking at, I'm going to make a bigger middle. They have a number of numbers in common. They have a 2, a 2, a 3, and a 3. That's 36, so I have nothing left over here, but I have a 2 left over here. Okay? So, I only have to multiply this side by a big one. And I'm going to multiply it by the big one that's in the other circle, which is 2 halves, that big one which is 2 over 2. So negative 17 over 2 is negative 34/72 plus 35/72, and our final answer is 1 over 72. I knew I had to multiply it by 2 over 2 because that was what was left in the other circle. I didn't have to do anything to this side because there was nothing left in this circle. Our greatest common factor was 36, and our least common multiple was 72, which also is our least common denominator. Questions? Yeah.
So, when you did inverse, did you use the denominators?
I use the denominators for to find the factors of the. I find the factors of the denominator using the inverse division, and I put those into the Venn diagram. Good question.